I'm gonna go outside and son of a bitch record Patty, my partner in crime. See what the hell he's doing. Oh yeah, I'm on the skidster forklift. Fuck I'm talking about. Oh, this is a funny shit, boys. This is a funny shit, boys. To my buddy. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but he's doing something. You got it, Scooter! Hey, don't run over the windows! Ah, shit! He's trying to get that. He's trying to get that little piece of rebar inside that dumpster. He's trying his damnedest to get it in there. Hell yeah, Scooter! Son of a bitch! Oh! I really don't think he can see. Ride that son bitch! Hell yeah! Hey, watch out for them windows! Don't run them up and go! Oh, shit! You don't run them motherfuckers over! Scooter! Get the fuck out of your way! Holy shit! You gonna smash them? Oh shit, boys, it's dusty as hell. Hey, smash the windows with that bucket. Smash the windows with your bucket.
I did earlier.
Holy shit, Scooter! Fucking, what are you doing?
This is hanging out on their flag, but they did it all up.
Son of a bitch.
All gotta be inside.
Don't fall in that shit.
All you gotta do is get it right here.
That's it? Yeah, I got you on YouTube, buddy. They want to see you on YouTube. They're my little buddy. Alright, man. That was a little bit of shit. I'm crying over here. Shit. It's windy as hell. It's fucking dusty as shit. My buddy Scooter over here, he's fucking tearing it up back here. I don't think he knows how to drive a backhoe, but that's alright. That's alright. He can get up on a backhoe. Clean up the yard. Put some fucking scrap metal up in the some bitch. I'll give you a little picture of the scrap metal that's going out. There you go. I don't know if you can see that with all that fucking glare on there, but that's our scrap metal. He says we can't have anything hanging out the sides or anything, otherwise they won't fucking take it. So that looks pretty fucking good to me, if you'd ask me. And here goes some aluminum, scrap metal aluminum. We're gonna get the glass out of the aluminum and shit. Get that all fucking taken care of. Get that out of here. Up to go. That's a riding cowboy right there. There's the cowboy down there. There he is. That's good. That's good. right, boys. Peace out. All right, boys. Well, I gotta take this freaking dumpster up to the front. I gotta take it on through the warehouse and shit. Hopefully you guys can see all this, because don't hit the backhoe. Don't hit the hoe. The McDonald backhoe. But anyways, alright, I gotta get this son of a bitch through here and get it back up front so they won't be able to fucking dump it. I don't know if you'll be able to see this shit because of the glare, but I don't know how many times I'm gonna repeat myself. But yeah, there goes my buddy. Motherfucking partner in crime. Hells yeah. Oh, what a day, boy. What a day, boys. Alright. Get this sumbitch up to the front. Woo, that was close. That was close. Alright, I'm just gonna drop this son of a bitch right here. Sorry for the jumping around on the video, but I'm trying to hold on to it steady. Steady as I wanna be. As steady as I wanna be. Yes, I wanna be. Oh shit, now what's he got? Where you going, Scooter? What's up, baby? Hey, baby! Where you going, Scooter? Son of a bitch! Yeah, fucking around out there. He don't get off that son of a bitch, let me tell you. He likes that. What's he turning up now? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here he comes. Break time, Scooter. Break time. You're gonna be famous, Scooter. You're on the YouTube. Is it break time, Scooter? Is it break time? Hold on. I don't think he likes to be recorded, but I don't give a fuck. Alright, boys, that was a little bit of bullshit of what we were doing outside. Patty was the one that did all that shit out there anyway. Making a mess out there. Ain't that right, Patty?
Yeah, that's right, baby.
Oh yeah, that's my little buddy. Like him a lot. He's cool. He's cool like that. Ain't that right, Patty?
Yeah, baby.
Hell yeah, he don't mess around, right?
Want a water?
Sure, I'll take a water. Alright, boys, we're gonna let you all do. Latest.